Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed into Seller Central and already have the ASIN. Start now. Go to Inventory, choose Manage Inventory, and open the Product Edit page. Once open, switch to the Edit option and focus on the vital title field. You'll replace or refine it. Make sure your keyword list, brand name, and any required identifiers are visible so you don't overwrite essentials. This step prevents mistakes and speeds editing because you'll be making precise changes rather than guessing later. Now you craft the optimized title. Put brand first, then model, key feature, size or count, and color in a natural readable order. Once drafted, paste into the title field and scan for forbidden words, all caps, or promotional language. Make sure character count fits the category limit and important keywords appear early for algorithm relevance. After pasting, preview how it reads. If it's clunky, refine wording to preserve clarity while keeping essential search terms up front. Save your changes and monitor indexing. Amazon can take minutes or up to 24 hours to update. Once done, verify the listing on desktop and mobile to ensure the title displays correctly and important keywords are retained. If the update is rejected or overwritten, read the error, revert to the last working title, and fix the flagged element, often length or prohibited claims. As a troubleshooting tip, if edits don't publish after 24 hours, open a seller support case with edit detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.